friends. So today we'll see fifth question of lit code 75, which we'll see here. Uh, let's go to the screen. Okay. So what the question is, like, I solved it 4 times. I don't know. I recorded it, but something happened and it wasn't get recorded. Then it wasn't get screen recorded. So yeah, but I want to explain. Like, I don't want to skip this question. So let's go to the question. What question says? The reverse oval of a string. Reverse oval of string. Given a string, yes, reverse only all ovals in the string and return it. The ovals, basically ovals means what they are giving. They have given that A, E, I, O, U in uppercase and in lowercase. These are the ovals. So what comes in my mind first, that we need to take it. What we'll do, we'll traverse the string and we'll just collect the oval in one, and we'll store it in one array or vector of character vector. Basically, we'll store it, then we'll reverse it, and we'll again place them back wherever index we found the oval. We place it back, that characters in that oval, but this time will that vector that will be reversed vector. So oval at that index will be changed. That is, it will be mm, 1 minute. So it will be vector at that index. It will basically change, right? First will be changed with last, second will be changed with last second, third will be changed with last third. Likewise, it will be changed until we get the last, like, until there are how many ovals are there in that string. At that time it will be done. So what basically it have, like, this was the first question, that this was the first solution, where we are storing the ovals, we are reversing it, and again we are placing it back. But here, that is, we are using extra space complexity, and traversing the array 2 times. First for the character storing, that vowel storing, and then placing it back for that. And yeah, this is not optimum answer. Like, this is not optimum solution. Like, how we can code this, that we'll see. That I have already coded it. I'm just taking you to the solution. Like, so not the solution, basically submissions, and we'll see. Yeah, this solution. And what does, how we'll take that, what I said, key we should have one vector where we'll store the ovals. And to recognize the oval, as store that all the ovals in unordered set, you can check it in if else condition, or one uh, function also, that check this is oval or not. And then we are checking it multiple condition, that if it is a I O U, then return 1 or return 0. Instead of doing that, I just stored that all things in one set, that is, unordered set character oval is equals to a e I O U. And yeah, then we'll run one for loop in which we'll store characters in our oval list, that oval, and every time we'll take the character of string and we'll check key if this character is oval. If that's basically is not, and basically it indicates that I found that character in oval list. So it means key, yes it is oval, and push it back in a oval array. So we'll push it back to the oval array. Likewise, for loop will run until we reach to the end of the string, and we'll collect vowels, and then we will reverse all the vowels and we'll take one index which will initialize to the 0. Next time we'll running the for loop, we'll take the address of that character, cause basically we are changing it, we are not just taking it. So we'll take the address of that character. Now we'll what we'll do key oval dot find ch, we found the oval. Okay, now change the oval to the oval at our index, cause we already reversed that ovals only, and we just placing it back to that index, and then index plus plus, and at the end return the yes, and this is past solution, that this is accepted one and this works. But here we can see that we have used an extra space complexity, that is this character array, character vector, and two times for loop, so not the optimum solution. So we'll move to the optimum solution, that is basically this one. Here what I did, here I have used two pointer approach, that one pointer will point to the start, one pointer will point to the end of the string, and will traverse until my start index is less than the end index. And in first while loop what I did, until my start is less than end, find in that oval list, the character at the start index is present or not, that character at the start index, that character is oval or not, check. If it is not, then go ahead, cause we are not uh, changing non oval, that is consonant, we are not changing consonant, we are changing just oval. So consonant बोलते हैं ना, okay, we are not changing characters rather than OL. So basically we'll we'll go till we find the OL for the start index and for the end index too. That the condition I have written, that OL dot find yes start, that will not find the character at that start index of the string. If it equal to end, that I don't find the character in that OL set, so go ahead, that is start plus plus. And for the end, come back, that we cannot just come back, but decrease the pointer end minus minus, and we get if start is less than end, and then swap it start plus plus end minus minus, cause we swapped now, and we should go ahead. And here also we should come back, like come back not, but we should decrease the index, so n minus minus, and here start plus plus. Yeah, we did that, and now this will run in big of n time, that is only one time for loop, we can say that big of n time, it will time complexity will be big of n, and we are not storing anything, that this will be big of one only, that two pointers storing, we are not storing whole character array, that was the big of n space type. Here big of one constant space time, and we'll return the string yes, and this solution gets accepted. And yeah, this is the optimum solution that I thought this would be. If you have any optimum solution, then welcome, you can tell me, or I'll find it in the solutions also. But what whatever I thought, that this is the optimum one. Yeah, that's it guys, bye.